Annyeonghaseyo, this is Khushi from Studious Point. So recently I shifted to a PG for my CA intermediate classes and studies. Now in this video I will share some hostel packing things that I kept for myself. So let's start. One thing that I learned from my sister is to categorize hostel packing list in different categories like clothes, what we should pack in clothes category, what we should pack in bathroom and skincare product, what we should keep in medicine category, like that. I will explain it later. So let's start with cloth category. You should pack night suit, t-shirt, trousers, shorts, towel, socks, hanky, traditional dresses, socks, slippers, scarf, mask, most importantly, sweater, innerwear, jeans, slippers. You can pack this in your bag. Let's move to bathroom and skincare product. Room freshener, sunscreen, serum, moisturizer, cream, shampoo, oil, body wash, nail cutter, rubber band, good night, face wash, detergent powder, clutcher, hairband, toothbrush, toothpaste, copper tongue cleaner that I use for myself. You can also use body scrubber, vanish, easy, dishwasher, Vim, comb, mirror, nail paint, cloth brush wash, perfume, body lotion, Vaseline. Now move to the most essential product that you should really keep in your bag. Umbrella, raincoat, hanger, bag, scissor, charger, earphone, bed sheet, knife, pillow cover, bucket, mug, safety pin, tape, gum, watch, alarm clock, water bottle. That's it. Now you can keep edible products for yourself, medicines as per your requirement, and a stationery item as per your requirement. So that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comment section if I forget something. Thank you. Bye.